Urgent sell Toyota Corolla GLi 2004 original engine budget family car demand 10 lakh limited time offer. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are looking for used cars for sale in Pakistan, budget family cars, and honest car reviews, then you are at the right place. On this channel, we share real car details so buyers can make smart and informed decisions. Today, we are presenting a Toyota Corolla GLi 2004 model, a car that needs no introduction in Pakistan. Toyota Corolla is one of the most trusted and reliable cars, famous for its strong engine, smooth drive, low maintenance cost, and excellent resale value. This model is especially popular among families and daily users. This Toyota Corolla GLi 2004 comes with a full genuine body. However, for complete honesty, there is some paint and bodywork required, which has already been mentioned clearly. This makes it a good option for buyers who want a mechanically sound car and don't mind minor cosmetic work. Talking about the engine, the car has its original engine installed, and it is in good condition. The engine performance is smooth, and the car is driving perfectly fine. There are no major engine issues, and it is suitable for daily driving, office use, and family travel. Toyota engines are known for long life, and this one still performs well. The driving condition of the car is okay, making it a reliable choice for city traffic as well as longer routes. Whether you are driving in congested areas or on open roads, this Corolla delivers a comfortable and stable drive. The tires are approximately 70%, which means you don't need to change them immediately. This saves extra cost for the buyer. Toyota Corolla spare parts are easily available all over Pakistan, and maintenance is affordable compared to many other cars in this category. If you are searching online for Toyota Corolla GLi 2004 for sale, used Corolla in Pakistan, Corolla under 10 lakh, budget family sedan, reliable used car, then this car should definitely be on your list. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Toyota Corolla is its strong market demand and resale value. Even after years of use, Corolla remains easy to sell, which makes it a safe investment for buyers. Money bag demand, PKR 10 lakh. Considering the original engine, genuine body, good running condition, and Toyota's reliability, this demand is reasonable for serious buyers who understand the market. This car is ideal for small families, daily office use, first-time car buyers, buyers looking for a reliable sedan. If you are interested in this Toyota Corolla GLi 2004 and want more information or a visit, contact via inbox. We always try to bring real car deals, transparent information, and honest reviews so you don't waste your time or money. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with friends or family who are looking for a used Toyota Corolla. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos about used cars, budget vehicles, and best car deals in Pakistan. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video with another amazing car deal automobile fire.